how to fix iPhone Wi-Fi grayed out. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to fix the issue like your Wi-Fi option grayed out on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, as you have to just restart your iPhone. For that, open up settings. From settings section, tap on general. From general, scroll down at the bottom and tap on shutdown. After you shut down your iPhone and turn it on again, your problem should be fixed. If you are still facing that problem, you'll have to reset the network settings. For that, from the general section, you'll have to tap on transfer or reset iPhone. From the section, tap on reset. And from here, tap on reset network settings. From the section, enter your iPhone passcode. And from here, tap on reset network settings. After you reset your network settings on iPhone, your problem should be fixed. If you are still facing that problem, try to toggle the airplane mode on or off for the 5 or 10 seconds. At last, you can check for the iOS update. For that, from the general section, tap on software update. And from here, make sure that you have not any pending updates. You have the updated version of iOS on your iPhone. And after following this process and your Wi-Fi is still grayed out, it might be a hardware problem with Wi-Fi chip. For that, visit an Apple store or authorized repair center. And that's it, your iPhone should back and running for your Wi-Fi. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give a like and follow for more iPhone fixes like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.